Hi there and welcome to our first video. Today we're going to talk about keyword research and how to do it properly. First thing I would recommend is to create a keyword tracker. I can even share this one with you under the video. And this is crucial for you to stay on track of your keywords, to know search volume, potential traffic, keyword difficulty, and if you already covered the content specific to this keyword. You can do this in multiple ways. One of the ways is that you can take this keyword and name this tab here. Okay, let's edit this, rename it to a personal injury lawyer or attorney, whatever your main keyword is, and track this keyword only, then replicate this on a second tab based on a keyword, and it's the easiest way to stay organized and make sure you're doing the right job. So let's start with your main keyword. That's personal injury lawyer. Let's go after that and see what we're getting here. Okay, so we're seeing that it's quite competitive and hard to rank for. It has high search volume and traffic potential is 9.2k, which means that this is total amount of traffic you'll be getting if you rank for number one position. And that's not from this keyword only, but from related keywords such as personal injury lawyer, personal injury lawyer New York, Texas, California, whichever state you're in, or near me. So that's the maximum traffic you can get. The important thing is to have United States or your target market here, so you're sure that you're getting results for your area only, I mean your state. Here you can see which websites ranks at the top for the keyword. This is crucial because we're gonna try to get their keywords and see if there are any easy to rank options, which is always the best thing to do. I mean, low hanging fruits is always a good start. So to clarify one thing, only one letter can make a significant difference. So if we add S here and go with personal injury lawyers, we can see that it's much easier to rank with higher traffic potential. So those kind of things are crucial when you're doing a keyword research. And here we can see the type of the keyword. I wouldn't go strong with informational queries because AI is taking over that part at the moment, and AI searches are showing those informational queries as a summary. So although there is a chance for you to be cited, if you're just starting with SEO, that's not something you should be focusing on. The more important thing is to go with commercial or transactional keywords. So let's see what we can do from here. As you can see, here is top ranked website for this keyword. Let's copy the URL. I'm always working with multiple Ahrefs tab open, and that's important thing, and you figure out why, because then we can have one for keyword research, one to check website quality of the competitor, to see their keywords and what they're ranking for. So as you can see here, they're ranking for 17,000 keywords in total. Let's see their keywords. You can click here or here, it's gonna be the same. So we can see their main keywords. The best ranking keyword for them is personal injury lawyer. The next one is personal injury lawyers, as we did here. So that's their next best ranking keyword. So that's probably the majority traffic that they're generating from. Now what we're gonna do is to see if there are any easy to rank keywords. So now we're gonna use filters. Let's set keyword difficulty and let's go from 5 to 20. Those would be keywords easy to rank for. Okay, click apply. And the important thing here is to set volume as well, because we don't want to have keywords with zero traffic. So let's say from 1000 and leave it open here. And the next thing you want to do is to click on show results, because it doesn't go on auto. So you need to click show results in order to apply filters. What we can do now is sort those keywords by volume, traffic, position, location, whatever you want. Easy to do, just click here and it's gonna be sorted. This can take a while, so I'm just gonna go with something that's relevant with your industry, and let's go with pedestrian. Injury lawyers. Okay, we have something interesting here. It's very few referring domains needed to rank in top 10. It has some traffic potential. There is a search volume, so yeah, this is a good keyword to go after. Let's see who's ranking number 1. You can check that here. Okay, let's see personal injury lawyers in New York, for example. Adding a location can change things significantly. Okay, it says no data for this keyword. Let's see if that's true. Sometimes this can change things significantly, because not all the keywords are updated automatically in Ahrefs. Sometimes you need to do it manually. As you can see, it's still easy to rank, but with higher traffic potential. This means that you're probably gonna be using some variations of this keyword. You can go even deeper, for example, going like Central Park, if there is a need for that. But again, that's up to you how you wanna do your keyword research. For me, the most important thing is to dive deep into keyword research and try getting as many relevant keywords with easy to rank options. That's the best way to get some early wins, and that's always a way to go. So before we were getting results for pedestrian injury lawyers New York, and as we can see here, there is a traffic potential. So we can replicate the process as before, going after this website. So copying his URL, pasting that to Ahrefs. Okay, now I want to overview this to see their main keywords. Okay, let's see if there are any New York pedestrian accident lawyer. Let's check this one. Maybe this one is a better fit, I'm not sure. Yeah, it has a higher search volume. So this is the best way to explore keywords and to get the ones that are most significant to your business and that you believe the biggest impact will be made on your business. The crucial thing here is not only to do the keyword research and rank for any easy to rank keyword. You need to understand your business and the niche you can serve the best. So which are the types of clients you can serve the best, and go after them. If those are pedestrian accidents, then go after that. If you're specialized in car accident, go after that. But make sure to build relevancy and to provide help to those people through your content, and to focus on getting the right clients, because getting the right clients is definitely the best way to grow your business. We have some keyword ideas beneath the main keyword, so you can easily take any of these keywords and see their traffic potential. For example, let's go after pedestrian hit by a car and see. Okay, let's remove this comma here. Okay, this is huge search volume, easy to rank for, so this is something that you're probably gonna benefit from. And again, we can add location like New York, then let's say Jacksonville or Houston, Dallas, whatever you want, and it's gonna narrow the results, but you'll get more qualified leads. So this is the best way to do keyword research using Ahrefs. And just don't forget to add everything in your keyword tracker to make sure you have everything saved, and this will save you time and this will help you create content around the keyword you want to rank for. Ahrefs is a great tool to do the keyword research, but it's not the only one. I don't want to overwhelm you within one video, so the next video is gonna be focused on providing the same tutorial but using SEMrush. I haven't mentioned one more thing, so let's copy this keyword again. Ahrefs is having AI feature as well, so we can add a keyword here and it's gonna create a list of keywords for us. Let's see, for example, okay, this is something that we tried, something similar to this. Yeah, but for example, this keyword over here, this is informational query, and let's go with Keyword Explorer and see about this keyword. As you can see, it's informational, and if we paste this keyword into Google, what's gonna happen is that we're gonna get an AI summary. So I'm not a big fan of AI that are embedded in most of the tools, because majority of time they're not gonna help you a lot. They're just gonna dilute your focus and they're gonna mislead you into ranking for something that's not relevant for you. So as I mentioned before, knowing your audience, knowing your business is crucial, and everything starts there. SEO is easy when you know your niche, when you're a person of integrity, and when you're an expert in your field. Everything else comes much easier. So that's all for today's video. Stay subscribed and wait for the video that will explain SEMrush Keyword Explorer tool. See you.